Best Will Degreasers dissolve stubborn brake dust, protect finishes, prevent corrosion, and restore shine while reducing scrubbing time and effort. My today's video is about top 5 best wheel degreasers for brake dust that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Orange Degreaser Spray. The Chemical Guy's Signature Series Orange Degreaser, CLD_201_16SW, stands out as a powerhouse solution for tackling stubborn grease, brake dust, and road grime. Its professional strength formula cuts through heavy buildup on contact, making it especially effective for wheels, engines, and undercarriages where dirt accumulates the most. What makes it truly versatile is its adaptability. You can dilute it for lighter cleaning or use it full strength for extreme jobs, giving users precise control based on the task. The spray application is straightforward. Apply, agitate if needed, and rinse for a noticeably restored finish. It's not just limited to vehicles either. Tools and shop equipment benefit equally from its deep cleaning action. Despite its strength, the fresh citrus scent adds a surprisingly pleasant touch, avoiding the harsh chemical smell common in degreasers. Overall, it delivers reliable, detailer-level performance while restoring surfaces to a like-new condition with minimal effort. Now our second product is Griot's Garage Wheel Cleaning Kit. The Griot's Garage Wheel Cleaning Kit delivers a complete, detailer-grade solution for restoring wheels to a like-new finish. Combining a pH-balanced wheel cleaner with a dedicated brush and 2 wash mitts, it's designed to tackle everything from stubborn brake dust to road grime and tar without risking damage. The formula works efficiently to loosen baked-on contaminants before they can etch into surfaces, making it especially valuable for long-term wheel protection. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful inclusion of agitation tools. The brush and mitts allow you to reach deep into spokes and tight crevices, ensuring a thorough yet scratch-free clean. Despite its powerful cleaning ability, the solution remains safe across multiple wheel finishes, including chrome, aluminum, and steel. After rinsing, the results are immediately noticeable: clean, bright wheels with a polished look that enhances the entire vehicle's appearance. It's a reliable, all-in-one kit for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking consistent, high-quality results. Our third product is Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Wheel Sealant. The Cerakote Wheel Coating Solution delivers an impressive balance of shine, protection, and ease of use. Designed with a true ceramic formula, it creates a slick, hydrophobic barrier that not only enhances gloss, but actively repels brake dust, water, and road grime. The result is a deep, mirror-like finish that elevates the overall appearance of your wheels while keeping them cleaner for longer periods. What stands out most is its versatility. Whether applied as a standalone sealant or layered over an existing ceramic coating, it boosts both visual appeal and durability. It works safely across various wheel finishes, including painted, chrome, polished, and powder-coated surfaces, without compromising integrity. Application is refreshingly simple. Just spray and buff, making it accessible even for beginners while still meeting professional expectations. Over time, the reduced buildup of contaminants means less frequent and easier cleaning. Overall, it's a high-performance solution for anyone seeking long-lasting shine with minimal maintenance effort. Now number 4, Chemical Guy's Foam Wheel and Rim Cleaner. The Chemical Guy's Diablo Foaming Gel Wheel Cleaner, CLD_997_16SW, is a standout choice for safe yet effective wheel care. Its oxygen-infused foaming formula clings to surfaces, giving it time to break down stubborn brake dust, dirt, and road grime without aggressive scrubbing. This dwell time advantage makes a noticeable difference, especially on heavily soiled wheels. What makes it particularly appealing is its pH-balanced, non-caustic composition. It's safe across virtually all finishes: chrome, aluminum, painted, polished, and powder-coated, so you can clean confidently without risking damage or stripping protective layers. The concentrated formula adds flexibility, allowing users to dilute it for routine maintenance or use it at full strength for tougher cleaning jobs. Application is simple and efficient. Spray, let the foam work, agitate lightly if needed, and rinse. The result is a thorough clean with minimal effort. Overall, it's a reliable, versatile cleaner that balances gentle care with professional-grade performance for consistently spotless wheels. And our last choice is Armor All-Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This wheel cleaner delivers a straightforward yet highly effective solution for maintaining clean, polished rims. Its formula works quickly to dissolve grease, road grime, and stubborn brake dust on contact, reducing the need for heavy scrubbing. That instant breakdown of contaminants not only saves time, but also helps prevent long-term damage caused by buildup. One of its strongest advantages is its universal compatibility. Designed to be safe for all wheel types, it can be used confidently on chrome, painted, alloy, and other finishes without risking discoloration or surface wear. This makes it a practical choice for drivers with multiple vehicles or varying wheel styles. As the cleaner lifts away dirt, it reveals a noticeably brighter and more refined shine, restoring the original look of your wheels. The process is simple and efficient, making routine maintenance easier while still delivering professional-looking results. Overall, it's a dependable, no-fuss option for keeping wheels clean, protected, and visually impressive. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.